Welcome to a discussion around general concepts used in Legoz. Today, the focus is on inline editing and grid functions. In this video, we will examine the key features and benefits of the inline editing capabilities and grid functions that Legoz offers. Inline editing is an innovative function that improves the way Legoz users interact with data, facilitating a seamless and intuitive user experience. Inline editing allows users to update data directly within the grid interface in which it is displayed. This eliminates the need to navigate through multiple screens or dialog boxes just to make a simple data edit. The text of editable fields is highlighted in black, while the text in non-editable fields is gray. Quick edits can be made to multiple data points without disrupting workflow. Changes are auto-saved when clicking away from a field, saving valuable time and effort. Along with improving efficiency, inline editing significantly enhances the application's usability by streamlining data manipulation processes. Another key benefit of inline editing is its impact on productivity. Users can make edits swiftly and effortlessly, leading to reduced manual effort and boosting productivity. The ability to edit data directly facilitates seamless interaction with data, providing Legoz users with a more intuitive experience. To wrap up the first section of this presentation, inline editing in grids provides a seamless and efficient way for users to interact with and update data. By eliminating unnecessary navigation steps and simplifying the editing process, it elevates productivity levels while enhancing the overall user experience. Let's move on to grid functions. Grid functions in Legoz facilitate interactions within the grid components. Grid components can be seen as a virtual spreadsheet in which data is neatly structured in rows and columns. The grid functions are nestled within the framework of these grids and offer a suite of features and capabilities that enable users to engage with and control their data seamlessly. Now let's discuss some examples of grid functions you might typically come across in Legoz. First, the config function, which displays a data object's fundamental properties. It offers a comprehensive view of the object, from its structural makeup to its associated development roles, enabling users to navigate objects with clarity and confidence. Next is caching. This function allows users to optimize performance by strategically applying caching strategies. Whether it's a one-time cache or a recurring schedule, caching ensures data availability and efficiency, fueling seamless operations. The detail function unveils the intricacies of data attributes within an object. From field aliases to data types and expressions, this function provides users with a granular understanding, fostering informed decision-making and precise analysis. The permissions function is pivotal in facilitating access control. It enables users to finely tune access levels for various roles, ensuring data security and compliance on data objects. Meanwhile, the access function allows for sensitive data to be safeguarded through role-based obfuscation. By empowering users to mask data based on its type, this function ensures confidentiality and integrity, while building trust in the data ecosystem. Row filters provide personalized data views based on user roles. By tailoring data visibility, row filters ensure relevance and security, allowing users to focus on what matters most. To connect to a new data source, the data source parameters must be specified. Each data source might request a different set of parameters to establish its connection. The data source parameters can be defined by the user here. Once discovery is requested of a data source, the discovery progress can be monitored using this grid function. The user will be able to view a count of how many of the data source entities have been discovered, and whether any errors were encountered during the discovery process. In Legoz, Data tagging enriches the user experience by augmenting the searchability, comprehensibility, and utility of data. Tags can be added to attributes using this function. A SQL expression is a formula comprising various components such as field names, values, and operators, which together yield a single result. These expressions can be used to manipulate data, execute calculations, compare values, and merge data from different sources. The main function of SQL expressions is to filter, sort, and combine data, enabling the retrieval of specific information from a database. The expression function allows users to add an expression to a data object to query the data source for a specific set of data. Organization refers to the name of the company or organization that users will have access to, and for which data objects will be created. This function facilitates the creation of new organizations in Legoz and the management of existing records. A role type is assigned to a role using this function to determine its functionality within the system. Role types define the specific actions or operations users can perform based on their roles. The role function is used to link roles to an organization and to a user. A role is a set of permissions assigned to a user. Roles help control what each user can access and what actions they can perform within the system. Finally, menu access is an important part of the security configuration. It enables the customization of menu items per organization role combination, exerting granular control over user interactions and safeguarding against unauthorized access. In summary, grid functions and inline editing facilitate effective data interaction and management within Legoz, providing a dynamic and readily accessible set of tools for the analysis, organization, and control of data. By embracing the power of grid functions, users can improve their efficiency and derive maximum value from their data. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.